Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the big old Bronco we got here. We've been following along this far. We've had this thing for a couple of weeks now. We've done some small things to it, as you guys can see. Don't know if you'd call those small or not, but in today's video we're going to be putting a new coil on the truck. It is the MSD Street Fire. It is the part number 5527. I do have the matching wires coming. I do have some new iridium spark plugs coming for the thing. Those should be here tomorrow, but on today's video we're just going to be installing the coil for today. It doesn't look like it requires much. The old one, it requires, I think it's a 7mm. We got our trusty Matco ratchet here, nice snap-on screwdriver. These, the ones in the pack for the screws to replace it, are a flathead. The ones on the truck looks to be, step up on this ladder here, they look to be in there a 7mm, maybe a 6. I'll find out here shortly and I'll let you guys know. All right, let's get started. All right, so I got the other one out. It was not a 7mm, it was a 5.5mm. Luckily, one of the snap-on sets that I had it on it. Trusty dusty quarter drive with a rotatable hand. Got that job done. I did compare the two. They are identical, obviously new versus old. So we're going to set that back in the hole. It just had the one wire going between the coil and the distributor, and then one plug that goes into the harness somewhere. I guess it just runs into the rest of the ignition stuff there. I'm going to put a little dielectric grease on the end here and just plug it all back in, start the truck up, and see what happens. We'll catch back up in a few minutes. All right, all done on the top side. We've got the coil in, it's all plugged in. I could have used the old hardware, but it was all rusty and crusty. I figured I just might as well use the new stuff since I'm going with all new on the top side anyway. Eventually, I'm going to be replacing the intake tubes with something a little nicer. If anything, maybe just replace it with all new anyway. It does have a smog delete on it. I just have to get rid of all the smog stuff underneath the hood. So eventually I'll get rid of all of that stuff and clean that side of the engine bay up as well. But let's get to starting the truck. All right, got a couple tools back there, so we'll fix the seat. Reach in, grab the old keys. Let's see here. Oh, got the wiper blades on. Let's turn those off. Tires up just like before. Sounds like old 351. Cool. All right. Well, like I said, we just wanted to get the coil put on for today. I got some wires and plugs and a couple other small things coming. Should be here tomorrow, maybe the next day. We'll make another video when that stuff comes in, and we'll keep on going. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good day.